Welcome to the presentation on rational numbers. Please hit the right arrow key to advance to the next slide. What is a rational number? It is any number that can be written as a fraction with an integer for the numerator and the denominator. Notice the fraction 3/5. 3 is the numerator and 5 is the denominator. Since this is a fraction 3/5, it is a rational number. Please hit the right arrow key to advance to the next slide. There are different types of rational numbers. There are natural numbers. These are the numbers you learned when you first learned to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. The next type of rational numbers are whole numbers. They are all the natural numbers plus 0. So whole numbers begin with 0 and then include 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. The integers, which are also rational numbers, are the positive natural numbers and the negative natural numbers and 0. So integers are going to have everything negative, such as -6, -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, including 0, and going on to the positives 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Fractions are also rational numbers. In fact, that was in our definition. A rational number is any number that can be written as a fraction. Terminating decimals can be written as a fraction. These are decimals that have a definite ending. Also, repeating decimals can be written as a fraction. So all of these are rational number types. Please hit the right arrow key to advance to the next slide. On this slide, you will see a chart. There are numbers, how to write as a fraction, and the fraction form. The first number is -2. It can be written as a fraction because all integers can be written with a 1 as the denominator. So the fraction form of -2 is -2 divided by 1. The next number is 1.34 or 1 34/100. Because this is a terminating decimal with the last decimal place being the 4 in the hundredths place, it can be written in the fraction form 134 over 100. The next decimal is repeating 0.6 and then the 6 repeats itself. This decimal repeats and can be turned into the common fraction 2/3. Therefore, it is also a rational number. Even 0 can be written with a 1 in the denominator. So 0 over 1 is how you write 0 as a fraction, making it a rational number. Please hit the right arrow key to advance to the next slide. A number line can be used to graph rational numbers. Fractions and decimals that are not integers are found between the numbers. The top number line on your slide shows numbers and it shows the integers between -5 and +5. But the arrows on either end show that the number line could go on forever towards the negative and forever towards the positive. The second number line shows you how fractions fall and decimals fall between the integers on the number line. Shown here is -3.5, 1/2, and 4.5. Please hit the right arrow key to advance to the next slide. We can use the following symbols to compare two rational numbers: less than, greater than, less than or equal to, and greater than or equal to. Please use the right arrow key to advance to the next slide. Sometimes it helps to change fractions to decimals to compare them. We can use a calculator. We need to know that the fraction 3/5 is the same as 3 divided by 5. So if I take a calculator and put in the numerator divided by the denominator, I can get the decimal form. The decimal form for 3/5 is 0.6. Even mixed numbers can be changed to a decimal using a calculator. 2 and 4/5 is the same as 2 plus 4 divided by 5, or 2.8. So if I put that in the calculator, 2 plus 4 divided by 5, I will see the decimal form of the mixed number. Please hit the right arrow key to advance to the next slide. Oh, that's right. That's it. Thanks for listening. Go on to the next part of the lesson. Have a nice day.